friends, welcome back to my channel Fashioneve Hobbies. Today we are going to see about hair strengthening pack. In this pack, I am going to use Amla powder, Neem powder, green gram powder, Tulsi leaves powder and Hibiscus powder. Amla is rich in vitamin C, phosphorus, iron and calcium. The application delivers these nutrients directly to your hair. The next is Neem powder. It cures dandruff. It helps prevent baldness. The benefits of green gram powder are: it cleanses hair. It aids in hair growth. The next one is basil leaf powder or Tulsi powder. Tulsi powder cures scalp infections. Not only that, it strengthens the hair root. It will refresh the scalp and hair. The cooling effect of Tulsi will refresh and rejuvenate the scalp. The benefits of hibiscus flower can stimulate hair growth. Hibiscus powder is rich in nutrients like amino acids and vitamin C. Hibiscus powder can make your hair shiny and smooth. It can treat itchiness and dandruff in your scalp. It prevents hair loss too. Take 2 tablespoons of each powder and mix it thoroughly. Transfer the powder into an airtight container or bottle. You can store this powder for about 6 months. For application, take required amount of powder and mix it with curd and keep it aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, apply this paste gently on your scalp and hair. Keep this in your hair for about 30 minutes and wash it off with mild shampoo. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel Fashioneve Hobbies. If you like this video, please share it with your friends too. Thank you.